Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a continuation of our expansion. I don't know if you can call it expansion, but really making good use of the space that we have project. Yeah, let's call it like that. Yeah, that sounds about right. Anyway, quick recap. Got the shed clean, got that area clean, got this done, got this done, got this tables done, got grow bags, got coop run. So the only ones that we haven't done yet is expanding the apiary and making those small brick planters and this area. So let's go work on this one. Now, in order to expand this, we're going to pour cement on either side of the existing one. And in order to do that, we'll be needing the help of the in-laws. And another one that I'm going to add to this project, to this video, is finishing off that bee castle beehive kit. So yeah, this video is all about the apiary project. Let's go. Asked for the leftover cement, and I placed it on this water. Because remember this one, Mr. Froggy's. Here's Mr. Froggy's. This is Mr. Froggy's castle, and it's not retaining much water. So I asked them if I can have some extra cement, and I just finished doing this. Now we'll wait for it to dry because it's leaking and it's made out of cement. It's cracking already, but hopefully the cement that I placed in it would help. We also did the same with the other one. I'll show you guys because I got extra cement. I don't want to waste it. But we're all resting now. Just finished doing it. Right there. They just finished it. Looks good, Dad. You did a good job with the cement. And here's the other one.
We'll see how the bird baths turn out.
Yeah, hopefully it'll work. But yeah, looks good.
Yeah, the sun looks pretty fucking good. I'm gonna sit with my leg, I guess. There you go.
There you go.
I'm about ready to walk home. That's good.
Okay. Time to let the girls out. Not too many. A wee bit. Hi guys, so now we're putting together the hive. And was it complete?
Yeah. You want me to screw?
Yeah.
Slow.
Was it hard to put together?
Easy.
Easy to put together and
And it's pre-drilled.
And are all the screws
It's
complete?
got a lot of wax.
What else can you say about it?
Easy to put together. Pre-drilled. Comes with screws. Waxed.
You're happy with it?
Yeah. Yeah, there ain't no broken parts. Little mismatch, but I think the bees will be fine with it.
Oh yeah, right there.
But I think it should be fine. It won't be too wobbly out, right?
And this is now the finished product. So here are the cements. You know, that's the original, and these are the addition to expand the apiary. And this bad boy right here is the bee castle beehive that we made. It's, yeah, we should have put it up, you know, make a video of how we put it together, but it's pretty easy to put together. I forgot the exact name of each part, but I did help put it together. The queen excluder is right there. You see that metal thingy? That's where the queen excluder is. And yeah, and the honey supers. So this is the finished product of the bee castle. And the apiary has been expanded. We split this hive to create the other two hives. And we bought queens to fill them up. And there's the queen excluder. We have to put duct tape on them, and that's the other queen excluder. So yeah, not bad, huh? Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. God bless, and have a wonderful rest of the week. See ya.